Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Mr. Robot, the final episodes of this final season, of the season 4. Little disclaimer, before I know that some of you are gonna skip that part, are gonna skip the intro to just go to the reaction part of the episode. Please stay just a little into this intro. If you are fans of the fantastic series, if you are a fan of the series that all was just a dream, and in fact the Elliot that we saw during the last episode was the real one since the beginning and all of that, maybe you're gonna be disappointed by my reactions and maybe go somewhere else, go find a reactor who is ruling for your series, because me, I'm against it. I'm understanding it. Don't go on the comments and don't tell me, oh, you're dumb, why are you not believing into it because of that, and that. And maybe, they chose that path for the final episodes and I'm gonna be disappointed about it. But I prefer to say it. I'm against that fantastic series and I'm against that dream thing series. I'm gonna explain why, but I preferred to warn you during this little disclaimer before, some of you are gonna skip that part, this intro, to go at the reaction part. Maybe, if you are fans really of this series, maybe don't watch my reaction videos, because you're gonna be disappointed by my reactions really, and I don't want to have comments about the fact that I'm so stupid and I'm so dumb because I didn't believe into it and ta-da, we are having it. No, really, I understand why we can have it. I'm just against it because it's not working with my vision of the show, I'm gonna explain why. I'm really against the fantastic series, the fact that the machine helped him to reborn and all of that. I'm really against it because, for me, since the beginning, the show is realistic. They sold me, this show since the beginning, since the season 1, as a realistic show, where stuff are happening and the stuff that are happening into the show can happen into our life, into our society. They sold the show like that, and even if sometimes we had weird stuff happening into the show, like with Elliot and his personalities, with all of that, everything was happening for a reason and for a logical reason, for something that you can explain, for something that we can all understand. And if they are going into that fantastic path, by having a machine who is helping people to reborn, of course I'm gonna be against it. At first, I began to love the show because it was a realistic show with the virtual money, with, the business company and the politics who were working together to steal money from the little people and all of that. I was loving that. So, of course, I'm gonna be against it. And, that theory about all was just a dream, and in fact, the Elliot that we are seeing on screen, it was one dream, of the real Elliot. In the real world, Angela is alive, the dad is a good dad, Darlene is not existing, they're gonna get married, and all of that. I'm against it because of a lot of reasons. First one, I don't like that. It's just the easy way out for all of the questions that you asked during all of the seasons, or maybe for some movies during all of your movie. Like, if you are choosing that, if you are choosing at the end to say, ta-da, it was all just a dream, it means really that all of the fans who were involved into your show, who were trying to understand your show, who were trying to find answers, to find clues, to find series and all of that, who were, working with your show and really with you to build the show and all of that. In fact, you are telling to them, why did you search? It was just a dream, and really, you did all of that for nothing. You were involved into the show for nothing, and I don't like that. of course I don't like that. The second reason for why I'm not believing into that theory always just a dream is the fact that something that happened, you know, during these scenes, during the last episodes, where in fact things were not working, you know. For example, we saw that Mr. Robot, even in this beautiful dream where all is wonderful for Elliot, this character is not interacting with anyone, and for me it's really, you know, a proof that this world is not real. We had an earthquake, you know, and for me it was because of the explosion that the real Elliot was feeling. Of course, we have Darlene who is not existing, so for me it can't be possible. We had Elliot having, you know, these migraines. We had Elliot saying that he's not feeling really like himself. We had all of the musics which were really fitting with what was happening, but also were meta references for the viewers to tell us that what was happening was not real. Like the music that is hearing, you know, into the cab is saying directly to the viewers, if everything is alright, something is wrong. And even that, you know, even the fact that he's not having a sister into that world, for me it's the proof that it's not real. Because we know it, Mr. Robot said, you know, to the mother and the kids' personalities, the fact that Darlene was really the one who can wake up the real Elliot, because of course, during this final episode, I want answers about two real questions that I have for the show. I want the answer about this fourth personality that they are waiting for into that tower, into Elliot's mind. We are seeing that the mom, the dad, and the kids' personalities are waiting for someone, and they are also talking about some poor boy who didn't wake up since a long time, and that's why I'm having this theory that the Elliot that we are seeing on screen since the beginning is not the real Elliot. For me, it's also one of Elliot's personality, and in fact, the real Elliot is gonna appear, you know, at the end. The Elliot that we are seeing on screen is this fourth personality that they are waiting for. For me, there is something right there, and that's why, you know, the mom is saying that poor boy that didn't wake up since a long time. For me, that poor boy is the real Elliot. And maybe that can explain that dream world, because for me it's a dream world. That can explain that dream world, because maybe the Elliot that we are seeing into that dream world is the real Elliot who is living, you know, an alternative life into his mind, but it's not real, it can't be real. And that's why at the end, the first personality of Elliot, the Elliot that we are seeing on screen since the beginning, is coming into the real Elliot dream. It's complicated, I know it's a mess, but that's my theory. That's why at the end, this first personality, the Elliot that we are seeing on screen since the beginning, is coming into the real Elliot dream because of the explosion, because maybe Elliot's body, you know, is into coma, and this personality of Elliot, this first personality Elliot, the one that we are following since the beginning into this show, is, you know, evacuating, I don't know how to say it in English, is coming into the dream, into the real Elliot dream to be safe, to keep conscious, you know, to stay alive almost. That's my theory. That's a long theory, that's a messy theory, and I'm almost like, I made this theory for working with all of what is happening into the show, but I prefer to consider, you know, some facts about this theory that can be possible. Like, for me, what we saw at the end of the last episode was a dream, for sure, because Elliot's into the coma or something like that. So yes, it was a dream, it was not real, what we saw at the end of the last episode. Elliot, the Elliot that we are seeing on screen, is maybe the first personality, and the real Elliot is gonna appear at the end. And maybe, in fact, you know, the Elliot that I'm waiting for, you know, the real Elliot is the Elliot that we are seeing into that dream. It's really a series that I have with a lot of levels into that series, and maybe some levels are wrong, but the other ones are still working. We'll see if I'm right or wrong about that, but at least I want the answer about that. You know, I want the answer about that world that we are seeing at the end of the last episode. I want an answer about that first personality into that tower, into Elliot's mind, and I want an answer about who is the real Elliot. And I want answers also about Tyrell. Yes, I'm not giving up on that. I know that after the episode, you know, the Mr. Scrooge episode about Tyrell with him dying but not really dying, seeing that blue light and going into that white screen, it's almost like he died. But if you are considering that this Tyrell was real, really, they didn't find his body and they are not searching for him, like he's one of the most important people into this society, and they are not searching for him. If it was real, we would have heard stuff about Tyrell is missing, stuff like that, and no, we are not seeing that. For me, my theory about that is the fact that at some point, Elliot created one Tyrell. One Tyrell was real, was having a real life, a real job, a real wife, all of that. But maybe Elliot created another Tyrell for himself, and the episode 4 was Elliot saying goodbye to that Tyrell. Because during this episode, he was really saying to that Tyrell, I don't need you anymore, I don't like you, like he was finishing all of what was connected him with that Tyrell, and the fact that we are seeing him dying but not really dying and going into that blue light white screen, for me it means that that Tyrell went into Elliot's mind where his older personalities are dead, or at least are not activated. Do you understand what I mean? So yes, I want the answer about that. I'm not gonna be disappointed if my theories are wrong. I want to say that, you know, I'm not gonna be disappointed about it. I'm trying, you know, to understand the show, and I'm trying to make theories, but if they are not right, I'm not gonna be frustrated, I'm not gonna be disappointed. No, I'm almost like I want my theories to be wrong, and I want to be surprised by the show, by what the writer wrote, you know, for the show. I want to be surprised by this show because so far, during all of these seasons, the writers really surprised me with the show, and I loved that. I loved to be wrong, and I loved to discover what they wrote, because each time I was not disappointed, you know, they were surprising me, and it was good, and the answer that they gave me was great, and all of that. And you know, this season, I'm saying it in the beginning and I'm gonna say it again, this season is so well written since the beginning. You know, all of this season is built with the theme, with the Christmas theme, and each episode is also written in a different way, you know, with another theme respecting the Christmas theme, but you know, one was written like a Mr. Scrooge fairy tale episode, the one about Tyrell. One was written like the Christmas action movies like Die Hard and stuff like that. It was the one where nobody is talking. One was written with old movies references. It was the one where we are discovering the truth about Mr. Robot and about Elliot's dad. You know, all of the episodes were well written because of the way that they wrote each of the episodes, but also because of the entire season. They were respecting the entire season, the theme of the entire season, but also because we were surprised during each episode. We were having big informations and big moments with each characters. We had evolutions for the characters, like for Darlene, for Dom. It was sensational. I'm not even talking about Elliot, who is discovering the truth about his dad. Really, each time I was surprised and amazed by the way that they wrote each episode. So I'm trusting the writers, you know, to write a good end. I'm really trusting in them because during the last seasons they really didn't disappoint me at any moment, and because during this season I'm impressed by the way that they are writing each episode, because of the way of writing it, but also because of what is happening into the show. And I want them to keep it that thing, you know, to surprise me again, but also to choose a good answer, a great answer with which I'm gonna be okay. And I have to say it, I have to admit it, and that's why I made this little disclaimer at the beginning of this intro. If they are choosing the fantastic path, and if they are choosing the all was just a dream answer, I'm gonna be disappointed. It's the only way for them to disappoint me, the fantastic one, with the machine, you know, and people who are reborn and all of that, and with the all was just a dream thing. I can't believe into it because of all of the clues that I found during the last episode. I'm gonna put the link of the last episode into the eye if you want to see it. So I can't accept each one of these ends, you know, of these answers. I want something else. Maybe my series or maybe something else, I don't care. I'm not gonna be disappointed or frustrated if my series are not happening. On the other hand, I want to be surprised, but please don't go into these two series. It's really the only way for you to disappoint me. And I already talked a lot. I'm sorry for that, but you know, I'm not sure that I'm gonna make a long review and a long intro between episodes. So I made this intro, in fact, for the 2 final episodes, I think. I'm gonna see that during the editing, but I think that I'm gonna work like that. Okay, so I'm gonna stop talking right now and let's go for this final episode. Are you a little melancholic? I am a little. I'm a little melancholic, not because of the end of the show, but maybe more because we're gonna say goodbye to Elliot and to the environment, the atmosphere, you know, of the show, and I'm gonna miss that. It was really a show that I loved because I was really thinking about it every time, and I'm gonna miss that. We're gonna talk about that during the review of the final episode. Let's go for this episode.
Wait, you can hear me again?
You're talking to us again?
We're dead, right? There's no way we survived.
Are you in
If
coma?
we're dead, where's Mr. Robot?
During this season, Mr. Robot was talking to us because Elliot didn't need us anymore. Where are you, Elliot?
What was that? I'm not dead.
I love that!
You are too. Right? Looks exactly like where the power plant was. Except, it's still, there's no way her machine worked. Right?
Yes, there is no way. I can't believe into that. I'm sorry, Yes.
It can't be.
Yes, into that dream world, he didn't die. For me, you're the first personality and you're visiting the real Elliot into his dream world. I'm gonna stick to that theory until you're gonna prove me wrong. Because if I'm wrong, you can't have 2 Elliot, you know, into that world. And see, you know that picture, if this world is a real world and all of that, why is he keeping a picture about them when Elliot was a kid? He would have a picture of now.
My monster is still alive.
Sam Ismail, please don't disappoint me. Dad is if this person, this dad is just living with the mom, he's not gonna tell daddy's his nose is bleeding because he's dying in the real world.
I'm looking for Darlene. Do you know where she is?
Miss Darlene,
Oh!
My sister.
you don't have a sister.
Shut up! She exists.
Idiot?
Did she take ages, you know? Is she older than what you remember about her?
Let me look at you.
Yes, she took some years. He was saying that is he said that because that's what Elliot was remembering about him. I can't accept that Darlene was not real.
So, want turkey or ham?
The truth!
Who's Darlene?
She's gonna be the key to everything, and I love that.
This doesn't sound like my mom. Sounds like someone who loves their son.
Nah! He's talking to us because Mr. Robot doesn't exist into that world where his dad was wonderful.
A window.
What window?
Where you...
Bedroom. Where is it?
Where it's always been.
No! No! My reaction...
This can be true.
I'm worried about you.
The conscience of Elliot, who
Why don't we sit down?
survived to all of that, meeting this dream world, it's heartbreaking.
Did you ever hurt me?
Of course not in this dream world.
Dad.
We love you. More than anything.
I love that, but it's not real, I'm sorry.
Did something happen between you and Angela?
No, they're gonna get married and reality is gonna break the wedding. Yeah, she's alive into that world.
I'm marrying Angela. Mom, what do you think? Do you
It's not
buy any of
real.
this?
No,
Is this the world I fought so hard for? A world free of all the pain I went through?
you can want to, but it's not. Musics are beautiful during this
If I see
season.
her, will this world make more sense? Or less?
I'm gonna love it more, but...
Mr. Alderson. And that is usually my cue to make everyone under.
Yes, it's gonna crash, the glass, and that's what the other Elliot saw into the trash. We know that.
Between us, she didn't always have the best taste in men.
You didn't take age. Price took ages,
You accept?
but she is what the young Elliot saw of her.
These images. I've seen them before. I've pictured this fantasy so many times.
That's sweet, that's really sweet, but I can't.
Oh, well, this is weird. Elliot, it says that you're calling me.
That's why she's not gonna answer to anything.
No, let me do it.
You're gonna have yourself on the phone?
There.
Yet, this one is having the good life.
Because of your passive-aggressive joke.
I saw myself in those pictures. That was me, wasn't it? Or no? Was it him?
It was him. We're having two you because you're not the real Elliot.
But if this world isn't mine, then whose is it?
The other Elliot, the real Elliot, or just the Elliot that you wished that you were. Something like that. I don't know. I'm making series. Where is Darlene? Stop, I'm gonna vomit. Yes, this one is having friends and all of that.
Based on this, he doesn't have crippling social anxiety or paranoia. Everything in his life seems perfect.
Too perfect.
But nobody's as perfect as they seem. Everyone has a monster.
You is monster.
What's his?
You are the one who lives his real life. Darlene,
My life, am I, is monster.
I said it. Okay, let's begin.
Why do you look like me? Could have looked all that up.
And took your face.
Look at me, man.
Hey, you look exactly like.
That's true.
Sometimes when I get bored, I create people in my head. You know, someone with a more exciting life.
Yes, and he's doing the same with someone who is having a wonderful life. You. Darling.
She's just sort of like his partner in crime.
She's his sister, you dumbass.
This is you, isn't it? He's alone. He's not normal.
Yes, he is, and he has Darlene.
I'm not normal. And I never will be. Did you hear that?
Because he is
How are you doing?
one of the personality or the real Elliot, and you are one of the personality. Whoa! What? He just died and you're gonna take his place now? Please.
I'm gonna go get some help.
Go and explain to people that you kill the other you. That's gonna be great.
So lucky to be marrying someone like you.
Angela.
I'm lost, man, right here. And we'll finally be together for the rest of our lives. Is that what you want to?
It's a fairy tale, a good and sweet dream, but a dream.
You have to finally let yourself be happy. That's all it takes. A switch that you have to flick on.
Don't tell him that.
Tell me, Elliot, do you love me?
Of course I love you.
She's not alive.
Great. Because I love you too. I'll see you tomorrow.
He wants to believe that this is real. You're gonna let this you die to have his life. It doesn't sound crazy for you? That can't be real. You're really accepting that, Elliot? It's killing me because we all want him to be happy. How can you do?
I think you should look away too.
No! The symbolic of that, Elliot killing
Please.
the Elliot who had the wonderful life to take it.
Both of us can't exist here in this world. I had no other choice.
And the I don't know what to say, really I don't know what to say right now. So, the Elliot that we know since the beginning just killed the Elliot that we met during the last episode, the one who is having the wonderful life, to take it from him, to have this wonderful life. The Elliot that we know since the beginning is ready to believe that all of this is real, or at least that he can live a happy life. No, it can't happen. I mean, even if, you know, even if all of this is not just a dream, even if this world, you know, this alternative world is not a dream, even if, okay, the fantastic past, okay, we had a reborn, okay, all of what happened before, in fact, didn't happen, even if all of that, you know, even if all of that it's possible, and you know that I'm against that, but even if all of that is happening, right there, we had the evil Elliot, because into that alternative world is the evil Elliot, is the monster of the real Elliot in this world, I mean in this alternative world. We had the evil Elliot killing the good Elliot to take his good life. That can't end well, you know what I mean? Even if all of that it's true, it can't end well. I mean, if you are ruling for that theory, if you are ruling for those things, you can see that it's wrong. It's not a good thing for this alternative world and for this Elliot. We want him to have a good life, we want him to marry Angela, we want him to have a good dad and a good mom. We want all of that to not be real and all of them to be alive and happy and all of that. We want that. But if it's happening, if this is real, it means that all of what we saw, all of what we had, all of what we thought about all of these seasons, what happened during this season, was not real. No, 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 and no. No! I'm against that. You know why? I said it during my intro. I'm against that because for me this show is a realistic show, so it can't go into that fantastic path, and also because it would mean that all of these seasons, all of what we thought about it, all of what we loved about it, all of the questions that the writers asked to the viewers, and the viewers were playing that game, trying to understand all of that was for nothing, all of that was not real, all of that was just the imagination of this person, all of that was just the old life of Elliot and now is living a new life. No. No, 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 and no. For me, if I'm following my theory and if I'm following what I think about what is happening right now, for me, we had the Elliot that we are seeing on screen since the beginning. I'm not gonna talk about the first personality because it's gonna become messy real quick if I'm doing that. So I'm not gonna talk about the first personality. The Elliot that we know, that we met before, the Elliot that we know entered into that dream world. Into that dream world, the Elliot who is having the best life is having a better life than our Elliot. Our Elliot is discovering all of that. He is happy that he has a good dad, he has a good mom, he had a good life. Angela is alive, he's gonna marry Angela. Price is alive, his wife is alive. Did you see that his wife didn't change a lot? You know, she was almost like what the young Elliot could have remembered about her. I thought about it. Okay. Elliot, the Elliot that we know, that we love, is entering into that dream world. Maybe, for me, because of the explosion, and now he's into a coma or something like that, so he's going into his dream world. For me, it can mean that he wants to stay into coma, you know, he wants to die and to stay into that life, that dream world forever, and for me it means that he's dying, in fact. Or, if we are, you know, going further into my theory about the fact that the Elliot that we are seeing on screen since the beginning is the first personality, and the Elliot that we are seeing into that dream world is the real Elliot who was into that dream world since the beginning because it was safer and all of that. If we are going into that theory, it means that the first personality just killed the real Elliot? No, that's not working. Or maybe the Elliot, the dream Elliot, was the first personality and the real Elliot just killed the dream Elliot. Do you understand what I mean? My head is really like moving faster and faster to try to understand it all before the final episode. What I'm sure about now, before beginning the next and last episode, is the fact that I'm not accepting that this dream world is real. Like, no. It can't be it. It can't be real because of the fact that I love this show, because it's a realistic show, because of the fact that it would be really an easy way out for the writers to do that, and I believe in them so much that I can't believe that they chose this path, this answer, because also of some things that we saw into this alternative world which were not really working, you know, which were always having a second way of reading it, a subtitle, a message, like, in fact, it's not real, you can understand it like that and like that. And because of this end, no. Maybe I'm in denial, maybe I'm in big denial, you know, and at the end of the next episode you're gonna see me like that, you know, I'm gonna be like that if all of this is confirmed. But for me it's not. So if I'm following that idea, for me, that can explain all of that, the fact that now he's into coma. He's dreaming. One is dreaming and is just killed that other him to stay into coma, to stay into that dream, and maybe he's gonna stay into it, or maybe he's gonna wake up and all of that. And the second possibility is still into coma, but his conscious is now with the other personality, you know, the fourth personality or the real Elliot. Because of my theory that I explained during my intro, the fact that the Elliot that we are seeing on screen is not the real Elliot but the fourth personality, and the real Elliot is just keeping him safe into this dream world. But it would mean that he just killed the real Elliot and we're gonna stay with this fourth personality. Or maybe he just met the fourth personality and he just killed the fourth personality. Did you understand what I mean? It's clear into my mind, but I'm not sure that it's clear to say it out loud like that. For me, all of this is Elliot, the corpse of Elliot being into coma, dreaming. We have the real Elliot meeting the fourth personality and killing him, or the real Elliot choosing to stay into the coma by killing the one who is having this best life to take it from him, or we are having the first personality meeting the real Elliot and killing him. That's it. I resumed all of that in just a big sentence. We'll see if I'm right or wrong, and we are gonna see that quick because I'm gonna watch the final episode right now. It's gonna be on the same day for you because I'm gonna try to post these two videos, these two reaction videos. I think that I'm gonna make 2 parts at least for them. It's gonna be on the same day for you and for me, but I have to cut that to begin a new reaction video about the last episode. So I will see you in just some minutes. It's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.